Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make melting effect in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating a melting effect in CapCut on Android involves using the keyframe and overlay features to simulate a melting transition. And here's a step-by-step guide. Firstly, open CapCut, then tap on New Project, go to Library, then choose the black with 6 seconds without Pro, then hit on Add. Now, let's use the text for this. Tap on Add Text, then type your preferred word, tap on the check mark. Now, expand the text duration, same as the black background. Then remove the ending, tap on it, then tap on the delete, and export the video. Now tap on Done, tap on New Project, then choose the clip that we saved before, then tap on Add, then tap on Effects, then tap on Video Effects, then search for pixel stretching, then tap to choose the first option, tap on Cancel, then tap the check mark. Now, adjust these effects on the end of the text duration, but not on the start. Just follow the prompts. Now, move the indicator to the middle, then adjust the twist to 80. Same goes to rotation, intensity 100, then 50 for both horizontal and vertical. Now, tap on the check mark, then move the indication tool where we have to start the melting effect, then tap on keyframe, then move the indication tool where you want the melt to take full effect, then tap on the keyframe again, then adjust the indication tool to return to the starting melt effect, then adjust the twist and intensity to 0. And you have created the melting effect in CapCut. By following these steps, you can create a melting effect in CapCut on your Android device, giving your video a creative and dynamic visual transition. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.